Good afternoon, this is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here at Rockingham Dragway with one of the owners, Dan Van Horn, who is going to tell us about all the excitement they have in store this weekend.
Thanks, Megan, and we appreciate you filming here today at the Rockingham Dragway. And this weekend is opening weekend for the 2023 race season here at the track. So this weekend we have some no prep testing on Friday, and on Saturday we have our 252 March Madness no prep event, and then on Sunday we have our first Test and Tune event of the year, sponsored by Mass Acceleration Motorsports.
Wow, so 3 days in a row, and this is brand new surface, correct? So
absolutely,
this will be the first ones to race down it.
Yeah, this is a big weekend for us as new owners, but for the facility being a brand new concrete surface, and obviously all the racers are super excited to come out and try it.
Awesome. So you have 3 different options for this weekend, whether you want to test and tune yourself, be a part or a spectator of the 252 Madness, that's on Saturday, and then is there also testing on Sunday as well as Friday?
That's correct. Friday is no prep testing, and Sunday is a normal test and tune that'll be fully prepped.
Awesome. You can see more details on their Facebook page and on Instagram for Rockingham Dragway. On Instagram, it is the Rock Dragway. Is that correct? Hey, thank you for joining us today.
We appreciate you.
Before the racing fun, we have more going on in Richmond County. Tonight will be the 40th anniversary celebration and annual meeting for the Richmond County Chamber of Commerce, and that will be at Cole Auditorium. Tickets are available. If you are seeing this before the event, they are $50 a piece. You can see more information on the Chamber Facebook page and website. Also tonight is a sensory-friendly event that is targeted for children with special needs. It will be at Discovery Place Kids in downtown Rockingham. Tomorrow, Friday the 10th, in addition to the no prep test and tune that will be here at the Dragway, monster trucks will start across the street at Rockingham Speedway. Those tickets are available online, and that will go on throughout the weekend on Saturday and Sunday. There will be live music in downtown Rockingham at Hudson Brothers with Flossie, Fletch, and Chuck Smith. And over at Double Vision, they will have karaoke. In Hamlet at Hail Mary's, they will have their Flashback Friday. And in Rockingham at the Lounge, they will have ladies' drink specials. On Saturday, March the 11th, in addition to the action that will be here at the Dragway and across the street at the Speedway, just down the road from us at Fox Road Farm, they will have an Artisan Small Business Expo that will be from noon until 4 p.m. There will be a Pokemon tournament in Hamlet at Nerdy Collective, and then that evening there will be a spell jar workshop at Hippy Dippy Boutique in Rockingham. At Double Vision, they will have music by DJ Roy G, and in Hamlet, they will have Bowtie Karaoke at Hail Mary's Tavern. And at the Lounge in Rockingham, they will have drink specials for the gentlemen. On Sunday the 12th, in addition to Test and Tune here at the Dragway, where anyone can come out and make a pass down the newly repaved surface, there will be a Lucky Gnome Paint Night at Hail Mary's Tavern. And don't forget to spring forward this weekend as we lose an hour to be on springtime. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visit richmondcounty.com. Follow us on Facebook, Visit Richmond County, on Instagram, Richmond Tourism. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Visit Richmond County NC, and we will see you next week.